Varda Space, a leader in in-space manufacturing, has firmly demonstrated that producing items in space is viable at an industrial scale. While the industry initially grappled with perceptions of space manufacturing as a novel novelty, CEO Will Brewy emphasized the importance of rebranding this frontier work as just another part of logistics and shipping. "We're in space industry," he states. "The goal now is to normalize and make it boring, aiming for scalable, routine space production akin to terrestrial industries, with fewer headlines and more consistent operations." In the broader realm of AI and technological innovation, notable figures like James Cameron have expressed critical views on emerging generative AI technologies. Although Cameron is renowned for pushing visual effects boundaries, pioneering techniques that have set industry standards, he finds generative AI horrifying, citing concerns over ethical implications, misinformation, and the lack of human oversight. Meanwhile, AI startup landscapes continue to evolve rapidly. For instance, a new report suggests that David Sacks, acting as Trump's AI and crypto czar, might financially profit from his political role. Sacks dismisses these claims as nothing burger, but the connection raises questions about how political appointments can intersect with private investments. Celebrating a major milestone, ChatGPT marked its third anniversary since launch, profoundly transforming business, communication, and information retrieval. Its widespread adoption has driven the deployment of smarter, more integrated AI tools across industries. In the developer space, Minimax recently opened applications for its Developer Ambassador program, inviting independent AI developers to gain early access, community visibility, and direct R&D engagement, encouraging a more collaborative building environment for large language models, LLMs. On the consumer and tech market, Cyber Monday sales remain strong even after Black Friday, with significant discounts on Apple products such as MacBooks, iPads, and AirTags, perfect for holiday gifting. Accessories like Anker's laptop power bank slashed in price by $32, providing crucial portability for travelers. Additionally, top-of-the-line laptops from brands like Apple, Razer, and HP are over $500 off, presenting a prime opportunity for upgrades. Content creators and professionals also benefit from AI-powered productivity tools. Otter.ai enhances meeting efficiency by transcript automating, allowing users to focus on conversations rather than note-taking. Notion AI acts as an active second brain, helping organize, retrieve, and refine data swiftly. Other tools like Superhuman streamline email management via AI, while Zapier's new AI capabilities facilitate complex automation without coding. Notably, AI systems like Descript simplify video editing with text-based workflows, cutting production time dramatically. AI's growing role also extends to supporting Neurodai.